Hi there, I'm Saifur. Here in this video, I'm going to show you settings that you can use in Windows 10 or Windows 7 or any other version. If you want to type Arabic language in your Windows, in your laptop or PC, so this tutorial will help you too much, because of today I'm going to show you in this tutorial, that is how to type Arabic in any Windows or any operating system. Without any further ado, let's get started. So as usual, you have to go into Windows search bar. You can see on the top in my PC, and now you have to type language settings. Now you can see we have Windows display language. This is display language that is selected by default is English United States. Don't change it, because of when you will change into another language, then your Windows language will be changed. So a lot of beginners first of all do this. So don't do that, because of it's not natural. So all you need to do, you have to select preferred languages. You can see preferred language. Now apps and websites will appear in the first language in the list that they support. So you can see I have already this Arabic language, but if you don't have, then you need to select add a language and then type what type of language do you want to add in your operating system. So if you want Arabic, and because of I'm showing in this tutorial that is about Arabic, so you can see a lot of Arabic languages has come. Now it's totally depend on you what type of country language do you want. In this option you have a lot of option. If you are using Windows 10 Pro version, I'm using Windows 10 Pro version, that's why it's showing a lot of languages. But don't think about Windows 7. Windows 7 has the same system, or you have to go into language and then you will find out it. So now you can see we have Hausa and Arabic Yemen, Arabic United Arab Emirates, Arabic Tunisia, Arabic Syria. So a lot of language I have, Arabic Morocco. So now it's really depend on you what type of language do you want. So as usual, if you want to type Arabic, then you need to select Arabic Saudi Arabia. Okay, you have to select Arabic Saudi Arabia. You can see that on the front, on the top, Arabic Saudi Arabia. So you have to select it, and when you select it, it will check the next option will enabled, and then if you click the next option, then it will work and you will be able to type this language. Now I'm going to show you practically how to type Arabic. So I'm going to open a Word file, a new Word file. So you can see now if I type anything, a quick brown fox. Now I have English typing. If I press any word in the keyboard, you can see it will show the English language, English font or English letter. But I don't need this English, I need Arabic. So what I need, I have already downloaded the Arabic language. So you have to go in this Windows top option. You can see I have English language. Now you have to select the Arabic, or if you have downloaded any other country's language, then you can select Arabic Saudi Arabia. I have selected, and now if you press on any alphabet on your keyboard, then you can see the result is showing like this. So this is how you can type Arabic in your Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro version operating system. Now if you want to change the font design, so you have to go you have to select all of letters or words, and then you can select the Arabic type setting. You can select, or the best font is Al Majid Quran. This font is totally famous and it is a very comfortable font, I think, about Arabic font. So you can use it. It is easy to download. The font name is Al Majid Quran. If you go Google and search it, then you will get it. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you learn a little bit from this video, don't forget to like this video, and if you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you again in another tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.